Meaning of has been.
Has been.
Has been.
Has been.
Has been. Has been is a term used to describe someone or something that was once popular, successful, or of great importance but has now lost their position or influence. It is often used to refer to individuals who were once famous but are no longer relevant, or things that were once in style but are now outdated. The term can have a negative connotation and suggest that the person or thing in question is past their prime and unable to reclaim their former glory. Overall, has been is a descriptor for something that has fallen from grace and is no longer at the top of its game.